All right, we're just gonna set this in the freezer for a couple hours. All right, now that we've got our limeade and our grenadine, I'm adding in some spray. Perfect. All right, to bring the holidays home, we're adding a splash of cranberry. Perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna give this a mix, but we're not done yet. All right, I've got my Bob Evans egg whites. I'm just gonna give these a little shake. I'm gonna pour a good amount of these into our bowl. I'm gonna add in some of my vanilla paste. Perfect. And now we're gonna get this nice and whipped up. Y'all, this is my favorite delicious alcohol-free drink for the holidays. That limeade goes perfectly with our grenadine, our Sprite, and a splash of cran. And wait till you see how this whipped egg white comes together. This is gonna be so beautiful and delicious. You're gonna wanna make this for your next holiday party. All right, that looks perfect. All right, now that we've got our egg white whipped, pouring that right on top. Just like that. Alrighty, now I've got my frozen wreath of cranberries with a little bit of green juice. And look at when you flip this over, it's like a beautiful holiday wreath. And I'm just gonna add this right on top into our drink. This tastes just like the holidays. You gotta try it.